If you've earned money through Namecheap and you want to withdraw it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to withdraw your money from Namecheap quickly and correctly. This is a simple process, but it helps to know where everything is before you start, especially if you want to make sure your account meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area. This is where Namecheap keeps account-related settings, billing options, and payment information. After opening your profile, click on Billing. This section is important because it contains your earnings and withdrawal options. Now, inside Billing, look for Marketplace earnings. Next to that, you should see a Withdraw option. Click Withdraw to begin the payout process. Before you submit anything, make sure your account balance meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. If your balance is too low, the withdrawal request may not go through, so it's always a good idea to double check your earnings first. Once you confirm everything looks correct, go ahead and submit the withdrawal request. After that, Namecheap will process your request according to their payout timeline, and that's it. You've successfully requested a withdrawal from Namecheap. It only takes a few steps once you know where to click, and now you can do it confidently anytime you need to. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials.